Hello, I want to represent 5/7 on the number line, again, exactly, using the Theorem of Thales this time, just to help us out a bit. Now, now Thales pointed out that I just made a little circle here on the number line. To do that with your compass, just put your point on 0.5 and adjust it so your pencil goes to 1, and then make your circle. So Thales pointed out that if you make a triangle inside a circle, so that the base of the triangle is the diameter, that you're always going to get a right angle triangle. Okay, let me just show you what I mean by that. So no matter where I put these, wherever I drag this, notice I'm getting a right angle triangle all the time. Okay, right angle triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, right angle. No matter where I bring it inside, like as long as it's touching the circumference, as long as it's inscribed, we're getting a right angle triangle. Isn't that neat? All right, so we're going to use this knowledge to make sure that off of my ray here, I'm going to, I want to have a right angle coming off, because right angles are very easy to construct. You know, and if you can just use a piece of paper to make the right angle. So what I'm going to do is, next step, I'm going to make a circle. Now I'm making 5/7, right? So I want to get a number line here that's going to be, that's length is 7. So I want to know where that number line is going to cross this circle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle that that has a radius of 7. So you put your compass point on 0 and adjust it to your to the pencil goes to the seventh mark. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or to 0.7 on this scale. Okay, so which is right there. So I'm just going to do that by doing that, and so then I want to draw a line that goes from the origin, from 0 right to here, and that's going to be its length is going to be 7. Okay, and I'm going to put my ruler along that line. So here's my ruler. Okay, so now I'm just going to, my next step is I'm just going to fade out these little circles, because I don't really need to talk about those so much. And here we go. So I'm going to take a line, and I'm going to go from, let me just change the color of the line. I'm going to go to nice dark blue, and I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw my line passing through the 1. Okay, so this line is my 7/7, which corresponds to 1, or 7/7. So these correspond. Any line parallel to this line is also going to represent whatever line on here. For example, 5/7 on the red line is going to be transcribed onto this little blue line. Okay, so I'm just going to copy that, and I'm going to move it to 5/7. This is 7/7. 5/7 is going to be right here. There we go. And so my 5/7 is right there. Okay, and 5/7 as a decimal. So 5/7 as a decimal, 5 divided by 7 is 0.714285. Notice the period is 714285. Okay, and all that repeats over and over again. All right, so it's going to be between 0.7 and 0.8, but really close to the 0.7. Okay, and notice, here we are. Let's just zoom in on that. Okay, here's 0.6, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. Okay, and on the calculator, what was our value? 0.7. Okay, this is 0.71, 0.714. 0.715 is going to be right there, 0.1714. That's pretty exact. Okay, and there you go. Let me zoom out. All right, and that's it. That's method number 2, to find a fraction on a number line exactly. All right, have a good day.